How to dry hawk, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so for the first step of drawing our hawk today, we're going to begin by making a circle right here, almost in the center of the page. On the inside of the circle, we're going to add in another circle that will be even smaller and it will be filled in black. Very nice, this will be the eye of our hawk. We're going to add in one more small circle and we're going to go ahead and fill in the empty space between the big and small circle. This will help make the pupil. Now a little to the right of the eye, we're going to go ahead and draw the beak of our hawk. On the beak, we're going to add in a very small circle for detail. This will help separate the colors later on when we color our drawing together. Awesome job! Now below and to the left of the eye, we're going to begin to draw the wing of our hawk. Be sure to pause the video as you need to and to go step by step, because this part could be a little tedious. Nice! Now let's go ahead and use a curved line to connect the wing that we just drew to the beak that we previously made. So far, this is coming along very well. Next up, we're going to go down below to the left of the wing and we're going to begin to make the tail as well as the underbody of our hawk. Just like we did in the previous part, be sure to pause the video as you need to. If you are not yet a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew and you would like to become one, then you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Fantastic! Now in that middle section between the tail and the beak, where we have that little bit of sharpness, we're going to go ahead and make the 2 feet of our hawk. We're going to make talons at the very end by using small black triangles. Nice job! Now let's move a little bit to the right and do the exact same thing that we just did on the left hand side. Next up, we're going to move up by the eye and we're going to begin to add a little bit of detail. This will help separate the colors for later on in the video when we color in our drawing together. Next up, to add even more detail to our hawk, we're going to go on the inside of the wing and we're going to add shapes that will look similar to W's. To bolden the W-like shapes, we're going to go over them a total of 2 times. In total on the wing, we're going to have 3 W-like shapes. We're going to have more on the body, but we're going to add those in later on in the video when we color in our hawk together. Lastly, we're going to bolden that W-like shape that we just made. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a hawk step by step. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. And if this video helped you out today, then be sure to give it a big like. Now stick around so that we can call out our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.